Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the lightest, fluffiest cloud bread, perfect for anyone following a keto or low-carb lifestyle. In a mixing bowl, add 3 egg whites and 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Using a hand mixer, beat it until soft peaks form. In a separate bowl, add the 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix it all together until well combined. Gently pour the yolk mixture over the egg whites. The key here is to fold, not mix. You want to keep the foaminess intact, so use a light hand to combine until you have a fluffy, foamy mixture. Once everything is well combined, pour the mixture into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. This helps prevent it from sticking. Now, place the pan in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next recipe.